This would be my attempt at preparing and cooking sticky rice or rice noodles. They say with anything, practice makes perfect. So I've learned that to master it, you gotta get a pot of boiling water, get it up to temp, and then just drop the noodles in there and soak it. So basically, you get the water to nice temperature, shut the stove off, and then drop your noodles in. So it's up to temp. I'm flavoring it with bay leaf and cinnamon and salt. Just turn it off. Now open the packet and then commence. I'm winging this one. So this process here, you gotta let it sit and soak here for like 5 to 8 minutes, or maybe 5 or 8 to 10 minutes. Just let it soak in here. If you like the result, then you can drain the water in a colander and rinse it. If not, you drain it, you still have to rinse it, wash it, and then recook it for like 3 to 5 minutes. Or steam it. Don't cook it, just steam it. The water can't be a raging boil. So I'm gonna drop a little clove in there and let my timer start. And it started like a minute ago. And let it go for the desired time. While that's taking place, I have a little bit of coconut oil, a splash of water, and I'm about to drop some star anise in here. There you have it, some star anise, a little pinch of Italian seasoning, dill, freshly ground black pepper, a little root wort blend down there, and a little bit of that. Whoops. And a homemade sausage lard. This is what I got from Sausages. That's my way of how I fast track my broth for my soup. I pre-add some because it's getting too hot. Yeah, add a little bit of this in there. This will be my Belize National Agricultural and Trade Show pick me up of soup. So It's been sitting here for 10 minutes. Wow. It's insane that it's still stuck to the bottom of the pot. Even though it had no fire flame underneath when I dropped it in. Taste it with your eyes. It smells amazing. I rinse it with cold water. Tastes a lot better once I rinse it up with the cold water. When I first tried it, I was like, oh, I think I just ruined it. Plus, I let it sit for 10 minutes in that water. I just let it steep. You drop some of that in there. And a pinch of this as well. Making my Sunday special. I know traditionally it's just rice and beans here, or what the like Caribbeans would call it, peas and rice. But I'm going for something different, breaking away from tradition. It's not much happening, but I wish you guys can smell that. You can smell the sesame seed oil, the effects from that, the coconut as well. The aroma is amazing, and that there's not a whole lot that's going on there. Didn't take on a whole lot of the flavor that I add to the water. So Belize has an event going on, a 3-day event going on this weekend, which is the Belize National Agriculture and Trade Show. It's happening in the nation's capital. Actually, it's going on currently right now. I highly recommend you add it to your bucket list and you schedule your family summer vacation and come check us out. I'll see you at the next event, upcoming one, which would be next year. It's a great family event as well too. It's a friendly reminder that we work for like, shares, and comments. Also remember to subscribe to the channel. And for anyone that would want to prep their rice noodle like this, I would recommend this is my first attempt, by the way. I would say you do 3 to 5 and not 5 to 10 or 8 to 10. I think that's a little too long. And don't bring it to a complete boil. I think that's my other mistake. I think I got the water a little bit too hot. I think I brought the water too hot, so I'll do 3 to 5 instead of 5 to 10 or 8 to 10. Do maybe 3 to 5 or 5 to 8 or maybe even 7. I think I had my water way too hot. I think I got it all flavored up and worked out to my likings. And everything grows extra special and tastes extra yummy with this right here. I used to have chopsticks, not anymore. Mmm, mmm. Love me some sriracha. Such the sriracha had an extra, put an extra zip on it. Got a little bit more spicy. Struggling with the fork, so I'm cutting it up. You can also serve it with steamed rice. I was aiming for a creamy coconut, but it came out like an escabeche without the onions, which is a traditional soup that you can find in Belize and in Central America.